So here we're still adding a fraction to a mixed number, but now we're going to solve these problems by changing our mixed number to an improper fraction. So as an improper fraction, 1 2/3 is 5/3, because 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and the denominator stays the same. We're adding 7/15, but to add fractions, we need the denominators to be the same. Now 15 is in the 3 times table, so we can find an equivalent fraction to 5/3 with a denominator of 15. That's 25/15, because we use multiplication to find equivalent fractions. 3 times 5 is 15, and what we do to the denominator, we do to the numerator as well, and 5 times 5 is 25. We're adding 7/15, so we keep the common denominator, we keep the denominator the same in our answer, and 25 plus 7 is 32. Now, if we want to change that back into a mixed number, we need to divide. 32 divided by 15 is 2, remainder 2. Because 2 times 15 is 30, then we need 2 more to get to 32. Our denominator stays the same, so our answer is 2 2/15. Now we have 2 5/8 plus 3/4. So as an improper fraction, 2 5/8 is 21/8, because 2 times 8 is 16, plus 5 is 21. The denominator stays the same. We're adding 3/4, but to add fractions we need the denominators to be the same. Now 8 is in the 4 times table, so we need to find an equivalent fraction to 3/4, which has a denominator of 8. So we can rewrite our question again as 21/8 plus 6/8. That's because we use multiplication to find equivalent fractions. 4 times 2 is 8, and 3 times 2 is 6. So now we can keep the denominator the same in our answer, and 21 plus 6 is 27. So our answer is 27/8 as an improper fraction, but if we want to change that back into a mixed number, we need to use division. 27 divided by 8 is 3, remainder 3. The denominator stays the same, so our answer is 3 3/8. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.